Hi everybody. This is a Kwikset Powerbolt, an electronic deadbolt lock that I picked up on Amazon for about $50. So let's take a look at the outside of the box real quick. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. So we got some papers here. Regulatory compliance. This is an install and user guide. The guide in Espanol. And a drilling template. So here's the knob for the inside, and this whole thing is plastic. That's interesting. Oh, and that's actually secured in there. Look at that. Some of the older models, this was removable, this battery tray. Okay. There's that. And then the outside portion. This is also plastic. They sure have changed this from the model that they made 5 or 6 years ago where the whole thing was metal. At least the lock portion is metal, but this keypad is all plastic with rubber buttons. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, this feels like the door hardware. Yep. Okay, so one key, that's it. Look at that, and it's not rekeyable. And that's it. So there you have it. Kwikset electronic deadbolt from Amazon. Pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. And please subscribe.